Oompa-dee-doo. I've got another puzzle for you. Oompa, Oompa, Oompa-dee-dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
Okay, one thing that I know is a problem is that students sometimes have difficulty figuring out how to get rid of a fraction when it's next to a variable. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my problem, 2/3 x equals 14, and I'm going to label one side the fraction side, the variable side, and the other side the number side. And this is just a good habit to get into from when we're going further on in these problems. All right, to get rid of a fraction, you need to flip it over and multiply by that reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2/3, and the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/2. And the reason why you do this is because then on the left-hand side, the 3/2 and the 2/3 will end up being 6/6, which is 1, and they will go away. So on the left-hand side, what you end up with is x equals 21. And that happens because I can do a little bit of cross-reducing. I can make any number into a fraction by putting it over 1, so that becomes 14/1. And 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 14 7 times, and you get 7 times 3, which is 21, and that's your answer. And you can go back to the original equation and do 2/3 times 21, and then you will get that that answer is 14. So it does check. I hope that answers some of your questions about how to get rid of fractions with the variable.